This author is gaining millions of views and earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. Many content creators on YouTube picked up this trend by starting to produce material on this topic. However, there is a peculiarity. They all followed the same method, using a fictional information channel as a sample. This time, the focus was on creating short videos about the facts of psychology. Authors in this field have achieved notable success. However, with the advent of an increasing number of creators, the market was flooded with identical short films based on facts. Because of this glut, it was difficult for newcomers to stand out and achieve similar results. However, we can use this powerful artificial intelligence technique in a more innovative way. That's why today, I will tell you how I will continue to use GPT and Canva chat in this video. The content I'm currently working on is designed to push the boundaries even further. In addition, YouTube actively promotes short videos that have a better chance of going viral. Young people also prefer short films, so the key to their success is very simple. It is a way to attract the attention of viewers, increasing their interest, forcing them to focus on solving quizzes and puzzles, increasing viewing time, and making videos viral. First, let's do the GPT chat. We need a hint, so I will ask the GPT chat to create 10 interesting quick riddles about locations in the world that the audience will be able to solve by following some specific recommendations. If you want, you can change the theme to something that interests you, for example, travel, cars, food, and so on. Click the Generate button and let the GPT chat create riddles for us. Now we have 10 riddles about locations in the world. Since GPT chat can't create 100 riddles at the same time, I'll use this hint to create another 50 riddles. Let's repeat this process until we have 500 riddles corresponding to 500 short films. Now let's move on to Canva. Click the button in the upper corner to create a design and select the Instagram Reel template. Since this text corresponds to the size of short videos, let's start developing our design. First, we need a background. I'll go to this field and look for a spiral background. It seems that such backgrounds have been actively attracting the attention of viewers lately. You can choose the one you like. I prefer this pink one, it looks great. Then stretch it to fit the format. Now we will add our questions and answers. Click on the Text tab, add a title, rename it to Question, then move it up and align it in the center. I'll add another text and call it Option A, then lower it down a bit. Go to the Elements tab and find the text field that I will use. This will be the answer to the question. Then add another option for the option again. Just play around to see which one fits your style. While everything is fine, don't forget to lock the background so as not to accidentally move it when editing text. Then select the text and press Ctrl+D for Windows or Command+D for Mac to duplicate the option. Move the duplicate down a bit and repeat 2 more times for the last text field. I will delete the text inside and change its color to yellow. This will illustrate our correct answer. You'll see what I mean in a minute. I'll make a few quick adjustments before moving on to the next text field. Let's also add a timer to speed up the audience's reaction. This is a great way to increase engagement. Rate it! The basic design of our riddles is almost ready. Great job, guys! Let's look at it carefully, then add some animations to our text. I'll highlight everything and select the fade option for our riddles. For the answer field, I'll choose a stomp animation that looks much better. Oh, I almost forgot about the timer. Let's also add a fade animation to it. Great, now let's set up the time so that the timer and the correct answer appear at the right moment. Okay, let's choose a timer. Right-click, Show Timekeeping. I want the timer to display 5 seconds after the question and options, so I'll trim it to a 5-second point. Let's do the same for the answers field. We want the correct answer to appear when the timer goes off. We will indicate where the timer ends and cut off the answer to this question. Fantastic, we're almost done. Now let's go back to the GPT chat, copy the result that you have already generated earlier. Let's go back to Canva. To create a large number of videos, just copy it all, then change the questions, the background, and the correct answer. This way, you will be able to get a new video quickly. This method allows you to create the desired number of videos. It may take a little time at the beginning, but then you will be able to do it quickly. And press play again. Let's see what we can do. Now repeat this process and you will have 500 short videos ready to launch in the shortest possible time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me on the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.